It's that time of year, and I think we should be making some 3D printed laser engraved mirror ornaments. So let's get to it. My friend Jim told me about these small craft mirrors, so I ordered a 60 pack of the 2-inch ones. They came well packaged. They have a mirror on one side, and then the mirror backing is white, so it needs to be coated so the laser will etch it. I've got this Ceremark black laser marking spray. It's really easy to apply and it dries really fast, but it's very expensive. Another option is to get an inexpensive all-in-one compressor airbrush. Then you can use watered down tempera paint, but it takes 2 coats and it takes time to dry then. You can use a hair dryer or heat gun to speed up the drying. That's the second coat dried. Next you have to work on your artwork. I usually bring the photos into the Be Funky website and use one of their filters to make it turn into a black and white ink type drawing. I use the Lightburn software to drive the laser. You bring your image in, and since this is a small circle, I set the image size to 50 millimeters, and that way it will fit centered on one of the mirrors. I set the laser speed to 50 millimeters and the power to 60%. I'm using an Xtool D1 Pro 20 watt laser. I manually move the laser over to the top left corner and do a frame to make sure that the mirror is lined up correctly. I'm etching the back surface of the mirror, not the front surface. Both the Ceremark laser spray and the tempera paint just wash off with water. I use the Geomagic Design X software to sketch out one of the 6 leaves of the snowflake, and then I just replicated it around. I have a Prusa XL printer. I just loaded the 3D model in and sliced it and saved it out. Depending on your printer scaling, you may have to scale the model up or down just to 1% to get the mirror to fit correctly. I use a couple of dabs of super glue to hold the mirror in. You want to line up the face with one of the holes so that it hangs straight. You can cut a piece of ribbon and tie it to one of the circles to make it look a little bit more festive. Well, I'm really happy how this turned out. And now I gotta make some for all my other animal friends. Well, I hope this was helpful. If it was, please hit like and subscribe, and have a great day.